When you hear about a natural remedy that claims to fix multiple health issues, you might be skeptical, and rightfully so. But some traditional treatments have stood the test of time for a reason. Castor oil is one of them. For centuries, this simple yet powerful oil has been a trusted remedy, used both topically and internally, to boost immunity, aid recovery, and improve overall wellness. But what does modern science say? In this video, we'll explore 8 surprising benefits of using castor oil before bed, backed by research and real-world results. Stick around. You might be shocked by what this ancient remedy can do. 1. Promotes hair growth and thickness. Castor oil has long been celebrated for its ability to enhance hair growth and thickness, thanks to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a powerful fatty acid that boosts blood circulation to the scalp. Improved circulation means hair follicles receive more oxygen and essential nutrients, leading to stronger, faster-growing hair. Additionally, castor oil's antimicrobial properties help maintain a healthy scalp by reducing dandruff and preventing infections that can hinder growth. For best results, massage a few drops of castor oil into your scalp before bed, allowing it to work overnight. It can also be applied to eyebrows and eyelashes to encourage fuller growth. Since castor oil has a thick consistency, mixing it with a lighter oil like coconut or almond oil makes application easier and prevents buildup. 2. Deeply hydrates and nourishes skin. Unlike many superficial moisturizers that simply coat the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply to reinforce the skin's natural moisture barrier. Its unique molecular structure helps prevent transepidermal water loss, making it exceptionally effective for combating dryness, especially in harsh climates or heated indoor environments during winter. Rich in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, castor oil doesn't just hydrate, it also soothes irritation, repairs rough patches, and softens stubborn areas like elbows, knees, and cracked heels. For an intensive overnight treatment, apply a thin layer to dry or flaky areas before bed. Those with severely rough skin, particularly on the feet, can enhance absorption by wearing cotton socks after application. With continued use, many notice an added anti-aging benefit. The oil's emollient properties plump fine lines, leaving skin smoother and more supple. Whether used alone or blended with other nourishing oils, like jojoba or rosehip, castor oil is a simple yet potent remedy for parched skin. 3. Eases joint pain and fights inflammation. Scientific research supports what traditional medicine has known for centuries. Castor oil is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. A landmark 2009 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that castor oil packs provided comparable pain relief to prescription NSAIDs for knee osteoarthritis, with an impressive 92% of participants experiencing significant improvement. The key lies in its high ricinoleic acid content, which penetrates deep into tissues to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and ease stiffness. For targeted relief, gently massage warmed castor oil into aching joints, like knees, fingers, or shoulders, before bed. For deeper absorption, try a castor oil pack. Soak a flannel cloth in the oil, place it on the affected area, cover with plastic wrap, and apply a heating pad for 30-60 minutes. This method is particularly effective for chronic conditions like arthritis, tendinitis, or muscle strains. 4. Enhances sleep quality naturally. Massaging castor oil into your feet or abdomen before bed can promote deeper sleep thanks to its ricinoleic acid, which helps relax nerves and ease stress. The gentle massage also activates pressure points, triggering the body's natural rest and digest response. Many users fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up refreshed. For added benefits, warm the oil slightly and mix in 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil for a calming aromatherapy effect. This method is especially useful for stress-related insomnia, restless legs, or digestive discomfort. Unlike sleep medications, castor oil is non-habit forming and offers a natural way to improve sleep. For best results, pair it with relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation as part of your nightly routine. 5. Provides gentle natural constipation relief. For centuries, castor oil has been a trusted natural remedy for occasional constipation, thanks to its ricinoleic acid content. This compound activates intestinal receptors, stimulating peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move stool through the colon. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives, castor oil works harmoniously with the body's natural processes when used correctly. A small dose, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon for adults, taken at bedtime, typically results in comfortable bowel movements within 8 hours, offering gentle morning relief. Important usage guidelines. Begin with the lowest effective dose, 1/2 TSP, to assess tolerance. Mix with warm water or herbal tea to improve taste. Use occasionally, not for daily or chronic constipation. Avoid during pregnancy, menstruation, or intestinal blockages. While highly effective, castor oil should be used with caution, as overuse may lead to electrolyte imbalances or dehydration. For optimal digestive health, pair it with hydration, fiber-rich foods, and movement. Some prefer castor oil packs, external application, for gentler digestive support. 6. Speeds up wound healing. Thanks to its natural antibacterial properties, castor oil helps prevent infections in minor cuts and scrapes, promoting faster healing. When applied to wounds, it creates a protective barrier that keeps bacteria out while keeping the area moist, which is essential for tissue repair. Using castor oil at night allows it to work uninterrupted for several hours, maximizing its healing benefits. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and redness, further aiding recovery. For best results, gently cleanse the wound. Apply a small amount of castor oil and cover it with a clean bandage to let the oil work its magic overnight. 7. Fades scars and stretch marks. Castor oil is a powerful natural remedy for reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Its unique fatty acid profile helps break down tough scar tissue while boosting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Though it works best on newer scars, consistent use can also soften and lighten older marks over time. For optimal results, apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area each night and cover it with a bandage to enhance absorption. To further boost its effectiveness, try mixing castor oil with rosehip oil, a combination that enhances skin regeneration and hydration. 8. Fights acne. It may seem surprising to use oil on acne-prone skin, but castor oil is a hidden gem for clearing breakouts. Thanks to its powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it targets acne-causing bacteria while helping regulate the skin's natural oil production, preventing clogged pores without overdrying. For best results, simply dab a tiny amount of castor oil directly on blemishes before bed, allowing it to work overnight. A little goes a long way, so avoid over-applying. Its concentrated nature means just a drop is enough to see results. With consistent use, castor oil can help reduce redness, shrink pimples, and promote clearer, healthier-looking skin. Before diving in, remember, even natural remedies need caution. Patch test first. Apply a dime-sized amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to check for redness or irritation. Dilute for sensitive skin. Mix with coconut, almond, or jojoba oil. 1:1 ratio to reduce potency while keeping benefits. Quality matters. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Should be pale yellow, not dark or cloudy. Stain alert. This thick oil can leave marks on pillowcases. Apply at least 30 mins before bed or wrap hair in a silk scarf. Have you tried castor oil before? Let us know your favorite use in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.